Ogun State. I reserve my comment. The government of the elders here in Ogun State. I will reserve my comment. I won't say it. Is that okay, sir? All right. So let's give ourselves a big round of applause. And also, when it's time, we have with us people from our neighboring country who are going to be presenting, telling us how they see us as Nigerians, what they think about our culture. And we're going to be inviting them to speak at that point.
Okay, the next thing on our program, we have our opening remarks from our hero. Hey, she's from she's married to Elisha, you know that. But she's also keep a one round my president, Johnson, Giovanni, and Brown.
I want like a time that Mr. T. Okay. Well, you can go on and then it's good.
I am happiest nítorí pé a ń ṣe àṣà, ọmọ pè ní àṣà. Tábà sọ nípa àṣà, a sọ nípa kíkó láti ṣẹ̀wá wà nínú. Táwọn Yorùbá nípa tí wọ́n lè lọ nípa èkejì, ó wá lọ́wọ́ tó wá ní Yorùbá tí ó wọ́ nínú. Èmi àti àwọn ènìyàn wá ní oṣù tí ò lè dúpẹ́ náà. Torí gbogbo wọn tá à ń wọ̀ láti oṣù tó kọjá, ó ṣe ẹ̀yìn o. Bí o ní kàn ní kò fẹsẹ̀ ní ìtọ́jú ẹ̀ ṣe ọ̀dún rẹ̀. Torí pé ẹ̀yin àgbà pọ̀ wọ́n sọ pé ní kan kò dá ìlóṣù. Tí o bá dá ìdí àwọn tó wà lọ́wọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ní sọ́sọ́ pé bá gbogbo àwọn ìgbà tí ó dé. Ẹ wò wá nírọ̀lẹ́ yìí. Tí ò wá ṣe pé a fi ètò sí pé national education kò máa kí o sí. Nígbà yìí wọ́n gba èrò. Ṣáwa náà nù, èyí náà nù, torí pé ìfẹ́, nǹkan tí mo sọ tó jẹ́ mi lórí jù nígbà tí mo join ẹgbẹ́ Yorùbá about 7 years ago, ó ní ìfẹ́. Mo ní ìfẹ́ yẹn, ó dà ó kọjá òye mi. Ibi tí ìfẹ́ bá ti wà, a kì í rá ṣìṣe ara wa. Ibi tí ìfẹ́ bá ti wà, kò sí tá a fẹ́ ṣe tí kò ní ṣe ṣe. Tá a bá ti sọ pé a fẹ́ ṣe, orí pé ìfẹ́ wà. Ìfẹ́ yẹn dúró láàrin wa. Mo lè gbàdúrà, mo lè tọrọ pé ìfẹ́ yìí bá ṣe ń pọ̀ sí, ìfẹ́ yìí máa gbòòrò sí. Owó ọ̀tún la máa gbé ṣe. Nítorí pé tí èèyàn bá pọ̀ nínú, tá a bá fẹ́ ọmọ látọ̀dọ̀ ìjọba, gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe lọ́dún ìwé àgbà grants, àgbà àgbọ̀ àgbà oríṣiríṣi. Ní alẹ́ náà, àgbà ọ̀gbọ́n tá a máa ṣe náà lè wò ó. Ayíkẹ́ká ṣe àṣà, ìjọba bá ṣe gálà, we are just hosting. There will be a lot of crowd, but àwọn Yorùbá, ọmọ wa bá ṣe ní state by state, a ní àfẹ́ mọ́ra wa pẹ̀lú ìgbà tiwa. Ẹ̀sìn ní bá ṣe ń pè wáyọ̀ nígbà tí mo represent ìlú ẹ̀, à ń lọ káàkiri. Ní alẹ́ yìí a máa ní àǹfààní láti jẹ oúnjẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan láti tẹ̀sí oúnjẹ ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àwa fúnra wa wò pé owó oúnjẹ tá a jẹ yìí. Àwọn gbogbo ọlọ́sìn jẹ́ pé oúnjẹ ìlú ọmọ orí mi. A máa ṣe yẹn lálẹ́ yìí. A tún ní àwọn àwọ̀dù kan bí lálẹ́ yìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe gbogbo ọdún ẹgbẹ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ti ṣàkóso ẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn elders wa, àwọn akíkanjú, àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ akíkanjú, àwọn àgbà wa, àwọn founders, àwọn gbogbo èèyàn tó ṣe pé past president láti gbà tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Èmi ni president ìjọ. I happen to be the first female, but this is actually the 80th president. Actually, president méje ṣáájú. Gbogbo wa lọ lórí ìlú lálẹ́ yìí. A ti tún lọ lórí ẹgbẹ́ volunteers ní wọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ní wọn. Wọ́n máa ti ṣe, wọ́n máa lọ sí wa, wọ́n bá wa lò, wọ́n máa lọ sí ìlú, máa tẹ̀lé wa. Wọ́n dàbọ̀ pé kí wọ́n tó abájá activities kan, wọ́n ti fi lọ́dà. Wọ́n bá ti ṣe ẹ̀yọ̀ sí ilé, abẹ́rẹ́ gálà, a ṣe fífìlì, a ṣe mítì, a ṣe oríṣiríṣi wájú wọn ní ayé ìgbàlẹ̀. Mo gbàgbà pé ọdún náà wọ́n rí àwọn òbí lọ. A ò wájú, a ò ní sí ìwádà wa. A máa dàgbà, a máa rí ṣe kí ni, ọkọ̀ wa máa bá mi, àwọn ọmọ wa máa ṣe nǹkan rere lágbára lọ́wọ́ yóò ní tiwa nígbà kan. Ẹ ṣe àtìlẹ́yìn. God bless you all. Enjoy tonight and ensure that you taste every food that you see on this table tonight. And we enjoy and bless. Thank you so much. You are welcome.
I was just standing on this side and looking at each and every one of us wearing this lovely Ankara, different color. I tell you, it looks so beautiful. But you know, when we started planning 2024 Ghana, and the president came up after consulting with so many people and said, our Ghana chair for this year is going to be this person. You know, I look at that, work with this individual on different levels. And I know she's happy. But you know, it's very important when you see people and appreciate what they do. Now, we see so many initiatives coming up with this year's Ghana. We have Ghana. We've never had this before. We have Ghana now, we're doing this, and then it also coincides with 20 years of this great association of minds. Tonight, to talk about dressing the Yoruba land, I'm going to ask Sister Tini to introduce this individual or to call the name. Because I look at her, she's a virtuous woman. I tell you. When you work with people at different levels, see on them things like that, can be the desire, any one she shake that back. One of us for Nisoki, Imura, Nima Sayoruba, Nipata, Imura, Nima Sayoruba. This is it. Thank you.
And to do that, we're going to invite the Ghana chair for 2024 Yoruba Foundation of Housing Ghana in the person of the delectable Mrs. Bukola Ojema-Kinde.
Ìmúra àti àṣà Yorùbá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bọ́ ṣe ń kíyàn ní Yorùbá. Bí obìnrin ní olórí Yorùbá rẹ̀. So ní àṣà Yorùbá, ẹ kálẹ̀ o, àwọn bàbá mi, àwọn ìyá mi, ẹ ṣe tí ẹ wá sí àpèjẹ yìí. Olúwa wà pẹ̀lú ní Olúwa fún yín ní ogun. Àwọn àgbààgbà wa wá pẹ̀lú wa. Àní sunkún ọmọ, àní sunkún aya àti àní sunkún ọkọ. Ẹ ṣe ìdánwò tí máa kí ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ káwọn àgbàlẹ̀ náà wọ́n lò. Ilé òòrùn yìí ní sáàbù nínú owó ìdìbò sí lọ́kà My own is annoying. Eshegon for coming today. Thank you so much. It has been the honor of my life to serve, or one of the honors of my life to serve for this Yoruba Day. Fún ẹni tó nominate mi, fún president, fún expose, wọ́n gbà mí tọwọ́ tẹ̀sí. Mo dúpẹ́. So, ká bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yoruba culture. First of all, Yoruba is one of the biggest tribes in Nigeria. Ìgbéyìí tó bá ti kọ àṣà, oúnjẹ, ìmúra, èdè, kò tiẹ̀ sí títà ti gbẹ̀yìn. Ó di pé àwọn èèyàn sọ pé aṣọ ẹbí, wọ́n á máa sọ ọmọ ní China wọ́n fẹ́ ṣaṣọ ẹbí tó ní wọ́n á ta léèsì. Wọ́n á sọ ní Brazil, wọ́n á sọ ní Ghana. Ọ̀dọ̀ wa ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. So just to start, mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ parí lẹ́rìn pẹ̀lú orí ìmá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ohun tí àwọn obìnrin máa ń ṣe nígbà tí à ń dàgbà. Ẹlẹ́rìí pé ìrọ̀lẹ́ náà wọ́n kọ́ bí ìrọ̀lẹ́ wa. So a bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ṣùkú, ṣe mọ̀ bóyá rántí ṣùkú. A bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú korobá yẹn. So next year, àwọn tó ń fún next year láti Nàìjíríà, a lè ṣe fashion show nípa oríṣiríṣi wọn. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa kò lẹ́sẹ̀, wọ́n ló fi ṣe kò lẹ́sẹ̀ rẹ̀. Kò lẹ́sẹ̀ àtàlẹ́sẹ̀yìn ó láwọn ẹ̀yà wáyé ìsàlẹ̀ wí. So tá a bá tún rí ìlànà ní kò lẹ́sẹ̀ ló wà nípa. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìpàkọ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ lórí ọ̀nà parí. Ọmọ sì kò lẹ́sẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ látẹ̀yìn lẹ́wájú wá síwájú. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ pàpànu wọn. Ó dàbí èdè mi. Ó dàbí wọn náà ló ti ṣe. Ó ń bì síwájú mi ló tẹ̀lé ẹ̀sẹ̀ wọn. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ pa òrìṣàbùnmi. Òrìṣàbùnmi. À ń jẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ìsàlẹ̀. Ó tún pè wọ́n ní agogo. Ẹjú mọ́ kan. Ìgbà tó yà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe voice follow me. Àmì ni mo ṣe pè ní Yorùbá. So some of these towns làwọn ń pè ní kọ́ńgò sísè. So ẹ̀rí bí àwọn oríṣiríṣi cultures ti copy nǹkan táwọn Yorùbá ń ṣe. Sábà fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pa aṣọ. Bí a ṣe wọ àǹkárá, láwọ̀ àdìrẹ, láwọ̀ òfì, láwọ̀ gèlè, oríṣiríṣi gèlè ló ti wà nísìn táwọn èèyàn kọ́pì láàrin wa. Bàbá wa sọ̀rọ̀ pa ẹ̀ṣọ́, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa lẹ̀kẹ̀, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yìnyín. Mi ò ní ìgbẹ́ tó yin ìlú owó àwọn ìjàmbá òní gbogbo àwọn aláìní. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ pa calories. Ẹ̀yọ́ kí ló ń pe calories ní Yorùbá? Owó ẹ̀yọ́ ọlọ́run máa fi ṣe lẹ̀kẹ̀. À ń tún wọ àwọn ọmọ sí ẹsẹ̀ àti anklets. Ọ̀dọ́ wa làwọn èèyàn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe anklets. Wọ́n fi ń gbó, wọ́n fi ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Bàbá wa sọ̀rọ̀ pa music wa. Ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Sọ̀ní Adé, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ẹbí ní Sọ̀ká, ó sì ní wọ́n gbàgbọ́ bí mi rẹ̀ o. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pa Lẹ́lá ní Lákòókòtì, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pa Rúnà Ìṣọ̀lá, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pa Ìṣúbọ̀lá Ọ̀làdúnọ̀wọ̀, Ìṣúbọ̀lá Túnjí, ó tún wá ní bá tún ti dé Dàbídù àti Ìsáyẹ̀ rẹ̀ sí. Àti wọ́n gbà tí ó kò sí nípa àti kò sí nípa ti tẹ́yìn. Ẹ bá wá tún sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìmúra wa, ká ṣe wọ abẹ́rẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ là ń wọ dàsíkí, bẹ́ẹ̀ là ń wọ olèkú, kẹ́ńbẹ̀. Oríṣiríṣi ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. So inú mi dùn púpọ̀ pé all of this is what we represent and what we bring to the table nípa culture. Ẹ bá wá fẹ́ déjì oúnjẹ ìdí tí a tẹ̀sẹ̀ wà nílé yìí. Etí mi ti kú, èyí tí láwọn àwọn yíyan níwà ní Kogi iṣu wa bí ẹlẹ́rìí nínú ẹ̀kọ́ kókó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa fi ṣe ìyàwó yẹn. honestly kò yí wọn ti kó wá ìwọ pa opportunity sọ. Òun pariwo ìkọ́kọrẹ́, àwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ínmọ́ín, àwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ àsáró ńlá fún látàbẹ́ òkúta. Àwọn ará Èkó ó lẹ́ẹ̀kan máa ń lọ́pọ̀. Báwo làwọn ní akọ̀ àtẹ̀já? Tẹ̀lá ní ìdí Èkó lóyún tẹ̀lé akọ̀ àtẹ̀já. Ẹ̀dọ̀ àwọn olówó láti Èkó tẹ̀lé sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní lọ́wọ́ sí o. Ará Èkó tí ò tẹ̀já wádà. Àwọn Èkó máa ń ní akọ̀ máa ń jáde láti lè ní. Báàbá rí akọ̀ lórí tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn tọ̀. Bí àwọn ti lọ jí oúnjẹ Èkìtì rẹ̀ o. So oríṣiríṣi onírúurú oúnjẹ ló wà. Bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa òjòjò, àkàrà elépo, àkàrà olóròró kọ́, mọ́ínmọ́ eléwé, èkuru àkàtà, tó tún fi edé gbígbẹ sí. Àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ pa ní ìmọ̀tò jọlọ́pàá ẹ̀fọ́ ìlú. Jọlọ́pàá ìbílẹ̀. Wọ́n fi irú ṣe bọ́lá pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wá lè ní. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ try ẹ bá move around. Ẹ lọ sí each of these states láti tẹ̀sí oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ wa. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀, inú mi dùn, ayọ̀ mi kún, ẹ ṣé gan-an ọ̀pọ̀ mi. God bless you.
Ẹgbẹ́ máa ń fa àwọn tó lò. And I want to thank the Gala for such a wonderful presentation. Ẹjọ́, ìkan nínú ohun tí àwọn èèyàn máa ń sọ púpọ̀ bàbá ṣe dára lè wípé ariwo máa ń pọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bí máa wà ní ó kéré. Màmá, ẹ bá mi gbọ́ ìyàpọ̀ mi, ẹgbẹ́ ìyàpọ̀. Inú ìgbà wà pé lábàáyé ó yẹ ká lè jọ máa gbọ́ra wa. Bàbá wa ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́sìkì. Bàbá wa rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ kan wà tó jẹ́ inú tó ọkùnrin sáfẹ́ sọ nípa ìlú ẹgbẹ́ fẹ́ bá sọ ẹ̀yìn yọra sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àdúgbò. Now, there has been a lot of competition behind the scene about the food that we have here today. So, because I didn't inform him before, and as the I don't want to make this about this. And as the elder supreme in our midst, I'm going to give Baba the honor to be the one to taste the food here tonight. Now, Mama Lily, is she here? She's here? She moved. I mean, so when the time comes, sir and ma'am, you're going to help us taste the food. Ilé ìjọba fẹ́ láti ẹ̀dá bẹ̀rẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún àwọn àgbàtí kéde ẹ̀dẹ́ àti fún wọn ṣe wà ládùúgbò jù. Wọ́n máa wá tó àwọn oúnjẹ ìwò òfin lẹ́yìn ọ̀dọ̀ kan. Dáyì ẹgbẹ́ kọ́rẹ̀ látọ̀tọ̀ sí fún ọkọ̀ òkú ẹ̀sìn wá. Ìjẹ̀bú yìí sí ọ̀dẹ̀ tó ná ẹ̀dá pọ̀. Ẹ̀fọ́ ìjọba ẹgbẹ́ ìṣègbè bọ́ bá ṣe rí ẹ̀sìn sọ́kà tó bá tàbí kò máa dé ẹ̀. Bí ẹ̀sìn ìwọ̀n jẹ́ ìwọ̀n láti lọ wà á. Àwọn àgbàdo lásìkò ìrìnàjò. Màmá lẹ́yìn àti bàbá wa òkúrárẹ̀ wọ́n bá wá tó àwọn ìjẹ́ tó bá wá látò wọ́n sọ fà. That's what I want you to do. Ìbàdàn Ọ̀yọ́ ní ṣèkẹ̀dẹ̀.
Okay, so we have representatives from two different countries. We're going to call one now. They just want to tell us how they see Yoruba culture. So like some people will know we practice Yoruba culture in some parts of the world, but to someone who is not Yoruba, who is not in Nigeria, what do you know about Yoruba culture? And so the next event is Yoruba culture through your own lens. And we are going to call on the Senegalese country rep. Just for a few minutes. It's a very roundabout process. Next week. Senegalese, please give them a round of applause.
I want to begin. Hold on. I say, before you speak, Nigerians will remember Senegalese. Our Mr. Wabi, Pablo to what was Senegalese, 5 years Senegalese. Mr. Jomani is Senegalese. Àwọn àgbàgbà wọn náà kò tẹ̀mọ́ wọ́n lè máa fọ́ nínú Nàìjíríà, especially among the Yorùbá. We have a style and it's Senegal. Oh yeah, it's Senegal. Yours is very close to it, but a little bit more down there, Senegalese. You do? Alright, so we can listen to them. How do you see Yoruba culture?
Thank you very much. My name is Selu. So I have been here in this building. This school is in 2012. So we have started granting from you guys for our celebration. So what I want to say today is like we appreciate being here. And this is like we belong to the same group, right? And my brother was saying about how like Senegalese have long hair. Particular inspiration from you guys. Nowadays, it's shorter now because we copy you. So, and what I want to say also, if you go to Senegal, the whole West Africa right now, the fashion is about getting back to the roots of our roots. And you see how we place them right now. So before those guys that were, was always wearing suit. But right now, most of the days you see our president, he's wearing African clothes, African fashion. So that's one thing to do. And in Calgary, that's like something that we appreciate in the country and seeing everybody is like dressed in traditional fashion. It's just like we belong to the same group and it allows us to learn from you guys. And also we appreciate all the friends we meet here. And we have like many Nigerian friends. We meet like, I have one of us guys here in the same English program. So thank you for inviting us. And we really appreciate, I really appreciate being here. So what I want to say about the youth culture, we all know Fela Kuti. So, and it has been for us with the fascination very growing up. And also, we know what is Sholita. And we know about him. Because when we are growing up, we have back home, we have our president, Leopold Sédar Senghor. And when Leopold Sédar Senghor say, I don't know how to say it, it's different. We will say, as a black people, like like the Negro say that has to show this like you. But when we say that, this one people say the tiger doesn't have to show that he's a tiger. we just have to like show, like act like a guy, but doesn't have to show. So we know something, even though several votes from our country, everybody decided words that are saying that you know the act in Senegal. And you know what in Senegal we have one of our greatest African scholars, Cheikh Anta Diop. Cheikh Anta Diop, if you read him, he has like some kind of on his work, he has established that Yoruba people, Yoruba language is like something we share. The root of your language is something that we share around all Africa. So that's why I want to celebrate you. You know that we have the same roots, and your culture is ours, and we are brothers and sisters here. And I want to finish by saying something to you about the appreciation that So I want to say that So I want to say in Europe, I don't know what I have you want to do. Someone always appreciate if someone put something to you. I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, something like that. Yeah, so thank you very much, and we really appreciate you.
Are you aware that in Senegal we speak French? You are aware, right? And we so much appreciate the fact that you can come and then come to us in this time. You know, that's one thing about Africa. That is one thing about Africa. Whether you're from Nigeria or you're from Uganda or from Kenya or even from Angola, Africa is Africa. And we are one. You know, I know for sure that one day, there will be that united front in Africa that will make us just take over where we are supposed to be. This is a big round of applause for them. This program tonight is like an energy shaker. Melting pot, where we can celebrate diverse cultures and different things. And that's why we have our Japanese friends in our midst tonight. Don't worry, at some point I'll just come back to you like that. Check the way I used to feel the land. Only to get a very good laugh. Hey, only one, you represent and not one like you, and we are not in them. Who is it? Only you.
Okay, all right. Are we enjoying ourselves tonight? I know that we haven't done food. And food is always a major highlight. But we still have a few things to do tonight before we get there. Right now, we want to present some awards. We decided to do the first part of what we're doing right now. And I'll call on Mr. Lano. Is my dad can tell me? This is me, I'm going to call Mr. and Mr. Babani, so they are the ones in charge of their work. Please, let's invite our elders, our daddies in our house, and represent the next set of awards. Please give a round of applause.
Thank you, TTCs. Please, can I have all the award committee members here? Award committee members. So just to give a brief of these awards. So when the committee met, so we decided to have about 5 categories of awards. To recognize people who are putting an extra effort, everybody has done well in the last 20 years with the growth of this association. And we are going for the 30th anniversary of the President to showcase and to encourage those who are not done so much that there's always a reward for doing or partnering with the association and all that. Tonight, we are going to do 3 of those awards. The 2 will be done on the gala day because of the time and all that. The first set of awards we are going to do tonight, that of the 3. We know for the success of any association, if there is no funds, there is no finance, that association might not succeed. And we know that we always pay our dues and we run after each other to pay the dues. That dues cannot do anything. But there is one major source of funds, which is our gala. So there are some set of people that organize this gala that brings in funds for the thousands of dollars of the association after all the expenses and all that we use to run the association for the next forthcoming years and all that. Now know that, okay, now that for 20 years the association has been so successful. And we just need to say thank you to those who are making those contribute to that success through organizing funds for the association. So I will call the names from the year we started this gala, from the year 2007 to 2023. So the area then will just come up and present these awards to you. I want all the past presidents that are here, they are going to present the awards to those co-chairs because they serve them as those leaders. So for the year 2007, we have Mr. Shegun Ojewole. Shegun Ojewole or his representative from Obo. 2008, no Akajurano, we didn't get anything. But if you miss you, we can still give you an award. We can identify you. For 2009, we have 2 co-chairs, Mrs. Nikolade and Mr. Balagodi. Yeah, we do. Past President, she will please come and these awards for them. And Past President, Balagodi. For 2010, no record. For 2011, we have Mr. Shina Akisoya and Mrs. Juliet Ololade. Please don't go. Please stay here. For 2013 and 2014, we have the same set of people, Shehu Bishola and Kike Adekoya. 2015, Mrs. Wuli Lumiratino and Oluturi, Didi Oluturi. In 2017, Alhaji Kuya Iwade and Mrs. Ijeoma Ademoju. For 2018, Zoe Soyolu and Abi Fashipe. In 2016, Mrs. Oladile again. Abi Fashipe and Wendy Soyolu for 2018. 2019, Alhaji Haruna Popola. 2020 is the year of Bori, the Gala. 2021, Dr. Yewande Aturabu. And Mr. Taiwo. Taiwo Adetola. For 2022, Mrs. Bola Adeomo. And something together, you watch Mama representative. And 2023, Mr. Taiwo Adetola and Mr. Adeni Adelanju. So moving forward, the committee recommends the organization that we will give an award to all our other chairs. And this will be done subsequently at the end of the year. And the presentation will be done at the end of the year.
Ọ̀tún lọ́jọ́ yọ, bàbá ló ràn mí. Èmi kí mo rán mi, mo mú tuntun tayọ bọ̀. Alágẹmọ rẹ̀ ṣí o. Ó ṣe ìfàṣọ ìṣúná o. Alágẹmọ rẹ̀ ṣí o. Ó ṣe ìfàṣọ ìṣúná o. Ọ̀tún lọ́jọ́ yọ, bàbá ló ràn mí. Èmi kí mo rán mi, mo mú tuntun tayọ bọ̀. Ní adé òre. Àríyá ọ̀pọ̀ ọjọ́ pé.
Ẹ kúrò lẹ́wọ̀. Sọ́ni. So like I said, for the last 20 years, some people who have run these organizations, and when the president was speaking, she said she is the 8th president. So that means we have about 7 past presidents. So the committee also recommends that we should give the past president an emblem of office that we can put this anytime we have occasions like Ghana or Dubai, like that. Everybody that sees them with this emblem, you recognize that they are once a past president of the association. So I hand over to Mr. Wale.
Good evening, everyone. Without leadership, there can be no followership. At the beginning of the association, it was tough even finding people to lead this association. process that somebody steps forward on their behalf to receive the award. Like we all know, the very first president of this association is still Dr. Samuel Afolayan. Dr. Afolayan was the president from the inception of the foundation in 2024 until 2028. He had 2 terms. I'm sorry that. Not 2024, of course. We are talking of 20 years ago, 2004 to 2008. That was when Dr. Afolayan was the president of this association, and he had to do it twice. But he's not here in person because I can't see him. He doesn't live in Calgary, we know. I'm going to invite Mr. Wadebala to please step forward and represent him. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm going to call the rest of them. So I'm just going to keep calling the rest of them. From the year 2008 to 2012 is Mr. Isaac Awukutu. Mr. Awukutu doesn't live in Calgary at the moment, but I'm going to invite someone to represent him. Not while this time. I'm going to invite Dr. Marcos to please step forward to represent him. Thank you. And from the year 2012 to the year 2014, we have someone who is in the house tonight. And that's Mr. I'm going to invite our past president from 2012 to the year 2014 in the person of Mr. Bayo Oladele. Please step forward. And from the year 2016 to 2018, the past president, Mr. Kayode Lano, he is actually my colleague. I also have in the house the past president from 2014 to 2016, and that's Mr. Sheon Ogunshola. He's in the house. And from the year 2018 to 2020, we have Alhaji Muhyiddin Adeyemi. I can't see him in the house, so I'm going to just invite somebody to please represent him. And I'm going to call on Mr. Kunle Adeola to please step forward. The immediate past president, Alhaji Haruna Okobola. Oh, I understand they traveled, and therefore I'm going to invite Alhaji Aziz Oyekola to please step forward and represent Alhaji Okobola. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't comment on the response we were getting in terms of applauding this community. They deserve resounding applause, and I want to these are the individual, this is where the boss comes. The boss comes at their desk early that time, and if there has been a gap, definitely we won't be here today celebrating the 20th anniversary. And of course, just in recognition, we have a current president that we talk about now. is a formidable woman. You're doing so well. And she organized all this that we are here tonight. So I'm going to ask that you please present them. Please present each of them. Thank you. Thank you. We are actually being corrected. And what you see, the emblem you see there wearing is an emblem that shows they are past presidents of this organization. So whenever we have an event, and you can easily recognize who these people are, because without them, there will be no Yoruba Foundation in Ghana. So apart from the flag, they also have the emblem that shows how much contribution they have to this association. Actually, it's a package of 3 different things we are doing here tonight. The first thing is the black, which you can see easily. They are holding it. The second thing is the emblem, which I can show you on their neck. And the third thing they're giving is the pin. You know, there are functions and there are functions. There are times that it's necessary to be decorated, and when they appear with their emblem, you can easily recognize them. There are other events where the emblem is not necessary, and then they can appear wearing just a pin. The pin still shows the same information that they are past presidents of this organization. So, Populo can wear their pin. So please recognize these people and next encourage them to have their seats by giving them the very housing. I will encourage us to all stand up until they take their seats. Please give them a round of applause.
Nánú mọ ẹni tó mọ ohun tí onílù wá ní. Ààrẹ ní ẹ má ti bá mi máa. Ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ rẹ̀. Bàbá tó máa ń wá ẹ̀jẹ̀. Olóyè bàbá àgbà. Olóyè bàbá. Mama, I don't know. Mama ní Yusuf Alátójú. Bàbá Yusuf olóyè. Ṣẹ́rí ìlú yìí ṣe fún àwọn àgbẹ̀ ó sì lè bá a ṣe gbẹ́sẹ̀ fún wọn láti lóko ẹni ó kọ́ ni wọ́n mọ ìgbésẹ̀ rẹ̀ ṣé ló wà lára bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n tẹ̀lé ojú tí wọ́n tó tó máa wọ́n láti wọ́n. Onílù ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ìlú Yusuf Alátójú wọ́n fẹ́ kí wọ́n wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ìyàwó àti ìṣẹ́ kí ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ láti kéré.
You know, when Sister Bukola Jabakbe came out here to talk to us about dressing and so many other things associated with Yoruba culture, one of the things that she mentioned was entertainment. There is a way we dance to each and every beat in Yoruba. This particular one, if you notice, Olóyè àti Mama Wakama, you raise one leg and drag the other. That's how you dance. Now, if you are fortunate or unfortunate to dance in the dots, you definitely go back home dancing. That's the way it is. But nobody looks at that. You just want to see the beauty of that dancing. Thank you very much. Daddy, Mama Adéyí, Mama Adéyí, ẹ máa wọ̀ ìyàwó. Àwa ti pè é, a sì ti ṣoúnjẹ, a fẹ́ kí wọ́n bá mi tọ̀ wò. Ìtọ́wò tẹ̀lé Yorùbá lọ, wọ́n bọ̀ lẹ́yìn Yorùbá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Yorùbá kò sọnù yìí. Yorùbá lọ, wọ́n bọ̀, wọ́n ní Yorùbá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Màmá, kàbá wa kó àwọn oúnjẹ tó wà kéékèèké ní ìyàwó ń bẹ̀. Ètò ìlú ti pa wá. Èèkọ́ wa máa ń pè é láti wà. Dábì ń tẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ẹ má sì bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Má sì bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Màmá, ìpínlẹ̀ wo lẹ́yìn ti wá? Ọ̀ṣun lẹ́yìn ti wá. Ògùn ní dábì ti wá. Ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ló wà lọ́ọ̀fẹ́ àwọn tó ń jẹ wọn. Ó fani lójú mọ́ra. Ẹ má fẹjọ́ ṣègbè o. Màmá, ẹ má fẹjọ́ ṣègbè. Torí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lèmi ti wá o. Ṣègbè ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ mo ti wá o. Oúnjẹ wa sì lé o. Ẹ má fẹjọ́ ṣègbè o. All right. So they're just going to taste the food, and afterwards they're going to tell us what they feel and what you're looking for, sir and ma'am. How important is the food? Usually, contract with that we need to see. That's all. I say, you know, that is so. If God is money, you need to live your own. That is today for their job. They need to go there.
Ayé ń retí ẹlẹ́yàmí o.
Representative from each of the states, we want you behind your table, please. We would like you to stand behind your table. Representative from each state, stand behind the table and just dish out the food for our tasters, and then they're going to tell us what they feel. Now, when it is time for us to eat, I can give the microphone to whoever wants to speak. If you want to speak, please just raise your hand and come to the front. Eko, àti Kwara, ìyàgbọ́ làwọn ní ìlú, dáhùn, ṣe. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọ̀gbọ́n ló wà tí a fi máa ń ṣe eré ìdárayá. Eré òṣùpá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn àgbàlagbà máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọdé jọ, wọ́n wà lábẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ wọn, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pa àlọ́ fún wọn, wọ́n kò wé, wọ́n á jọ sọ̀rọ̀ jù wọ́n. Àwọn àgbà ó sọ̀rọ̀ jù wọ́n. In other words, we interact with each other using programs in Yoruba. And there are some other things, when you see a real Yoruba person, they can be talking between each other and they're using proverbs. You will not be able to understand. You may also be a Yoruba person, but if you don't have American person, you may not understand what they're saying. So, those are some of the things that we do in Yoruba. Alright? Ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí, àlọ́ àpamọ́ wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àti ìkejì ìpínlẹ̀ àlọ́ ìkejì. Àlọ́ àpapọ̀ fún ọmọ àgbàgbà wà nínú àlọ́ àpapọ̀. Ibi tá a ní àwọn tí ó dàgbà lóko. Ṣé òkèèkà mi gbogbo alábàáṣe láti gbé mo túùsì? Láàánú èkó ni ibi dàgbà. Ṣùgbọ́n gbàgbé bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ìbéèrè wa. That's when you know for real people who are from the soil.
Are you trying to power this one straight up?
Okay. Ẹ ká jọ wo àlọ́ àpamọ́. Ẹ kú ṣe sá. Àlọ́ ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́. Ó dà ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀. In Yoruba land, when you want to present this kind of phrases that I want to use, you say it and people will respond. So when I say "hello," you are going to respond by saying "hello." Thank you. All right, let's go again. Hello. À ń lọ, ó pọ̀jù sí wa. À ń bọ̀, ó pọ̀jù sí wa. Ẹ dákun, kí ni o? Ẹ fara balẹ̀. Kí lè dé sá? Ọ̀gá mi ló wà ní ilẹ̀ wí. Ìlú gẹ́gẹ́ ni ẹ bá wọ́n láti wọ́n tó dáa. Alága Ghana láwọn ní ẹ̀kọ́ fún ẹ bá sáwọn láti wọ́n tó dáa. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi fara wọn lọ, mọ̀mọ́ wá fẹ́ kí ìkọ̀lé Èkìtì.
Èyí lọ́mọ ìkọ̀lé ìpàlàyé aṣọ. Ìkọ̀légún má ṣọṣe, ọ̀tàlà kò ṣe. Ìkọ̀légún má ṣọṣe, ọ̀tàlà máa kò kó. Èso ojú ríro, èsì jálẹ̀ ti ọrùn.
Ní àkókò kan, ọ̀gbọ̀n. Ní àkókò kan, mo fẹ́ ṣe alákòóso ètò fún ìgbéyàwó ọmọ ẹnìkan. Màmá yìí onígbàgbọ́ ni wọ́n kò ní sọ ìjọ tó ń lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n bóyá bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ṣe é kí mo wí ìgbẹ́ ìbá wí ni o. Mo bá ti mọ̀ lórí èdè, màmá kí ló fi lè yín tí ọmọ yín bá ti ń jáde bọ̀ pàtó láti ẹ̀kí ló fi lè yín. Àwọn ọmọ Jésù ni. Àwọn ọmọ Jésù ni. Kí gbà mí ìfẹ́ gbogbo àwọn káwọn ọdún ọmọ ìjọ ọmọ Jésù màmá. Kí wọ́n tó mẹ́sìn Jésù pé ní ìjọba là ń ṣe. Jésù jọba tí ìlú sábà tó wọnú ojú lẹ́yìn, ó ti pọ̀ lọ rẹpẹtẹ ni. Ẹ̀sọ́ ẹ má jà mú lámùlù náà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́n sí ìyàwó ọdún ní ìsìn. Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́n sí màmá wa sọ ní ìsìn, wọ́n ti ìlú wọn. Gbogbo àwọn tá a bá jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú orí owó àwọn ọmọ àbẹ̀yẹ bá jẹ́ lórí ìkòlókò. Èsì tó ń wọ̀ lórí ìjà àríyá, ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ orí wọ́wọ́. Sákì ògùn ọ̀rọ̀ sí àgbẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá. Màmá dàrá, àlájà bàbá wọn sí. Sábàjẹ́ òṣèlú. Wọ́n jẹ lọ. Àwọn wà ní ìfún wà ní. Ẹ bá ń kàtẹ́ wọ́n pàlà gbà.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe rán mi tí mi bá sí ìbá pọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀wọ́n lẹ́nu náà ní ṣe Stella bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ àbúrò. Ṣáàkì nílé ògbó ọ̀rọ̀ fún ọmọ àgbẹ̀dẹ ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá. Ọmọ àjòjì kí báwọn dé àṣàbàrí. Ṣẹ́rú fún wọn ló ń bá wọn dé olóògùn. Tó bá di dé ọjà kẹrin ìpàṣàbàrí tó bá di dé eré kẹrin tó lóògùn. Ṣáàkì ní bèrè kí o tó wọ̀ kó má bàa sí ìjòjìjò nítorí pé iṣẹ́ ogun níṣẹ́ tiwọn. Ṣáàkì arọ́gbìnyàn ọmọ aṣojú ṣòwò ṣe. Ṣáàkì nílé ọmọ ògún ọ̀rọ̀ sí.
Ẹ wo àwọn ní principal Yorùbá language school. So because of that, I have wọn ní $75 gift card. Ṣé àdúgbò iléeṣẹ́ wa ní jóná ọmọ àròkè o.
Yorùbá bọ̀ wá ní ibà ń jẹ káàkà. Ibà ń jẹ káàkà. Ẹ bá parí ẹ̀ tó Yorùbá ṣe parí ẹ̀. Ibà ń jẹ kọ́là ń pa. Ẹni tó bá pọ̀ wọ́n yà ní ọ̀pẹ̀ ẹ̀mọ̀ ẹ̀sìn náà. Gbogbo nígbà fún àkàrà sáwò ọ̀dà ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀yìn sí ẹ̀ka gbogbo ẹ̀yìn mẹ́jà máa lọ lé. Àbí kúta ń jẹ káàkà. Kí kìí ṣe wọ ọmọ níjà yìí. Àlábì kan sọ pé kì í ṣe òwò ọmọ ilé nìkan. Torí tí ń jẹ ní ń tà. Ṣé ń jẹ ní ń tà wáyé? Ẹ̀ṣọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún mi. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́. Àwọn bàbá ti àti màmá lẹ́yìn màmá màmá ṣe omi ní ẹ̀mú mi yé ìlú lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ náà kẹ́ ẹ̀ bọ̀. Ń bọ̀ ẹ̀mú mi tó jẹ ọ̀dà òní gbàgbé kan ẹ máa bọ̀ láti òkú rẹ̀ láti ẹ máa bọ̀ sí. What year Google them and they are going to tell us what they feel about it. About that in
máa fẹ́ kí Mrs. Adélébi kan àná wọn stage méjì tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n drop.
Ìjókòó àwọn state ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ ó kúndùn ìjẹ́lẹ̀ ìdánwò Ọ̀yọ́ state.
Èkó ló gbé igbá tó gbẹ̀yìn.
Gbogbo nígbà náà mọ̀ pé káàdì wa wọ́n àtẹnudí ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ti bá wa pé àwọn méjì tí wọ́n gbé lọ lókè nítorí bí wọ́n ṣe sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n fi dá wa ṣeré náà ní epo èyí gbogbo àwọn táwọn àbí mélòó ló wà tá a bá padà lé ló jẹ́ ká bùjá náà wọ́n gbà. Ẹ̀dẹ́gbọ̀n yìí náà ni kò tí ì sísọ ní ẹ̀yẹ ni kò tí ì sísọ àlù ìbàdàn ẹ̀má ti bọ́ọ̀tù wa ṣùgbọ́n táàbí ìlú àbúyí náà pé ajíṣe ní ọ̀dùn láàbí èèyàn yóò tó tó ní ara ẹ̀mọ́ òdùnú èyí náà jáde báwo máa kúkú sí ìyẹn ṣe pé ṣe kàkiri máa fẹ́ wí èyí sì dá abẹ́rẹ́ ìyẹn ẹ̀rọ bá mú ọ̀nà láti wọ́n ṣe ọ̀tún lẹ́yìn wọn ọ̀gbẹ́ ẹ bá mi wọ́n láti wọ́n. Bí àwọn òdò àbájọ lábájọ ní ìlú náà ẹ̀sẹ̀ ìròyìn nípa ìgbàgbé èèyàn yọ̀ lọ́dún púpọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ náà òdò ẹ bá mi wọ́n láti wọ́n dáa. Nílẹ̀ ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ òní àkókò kékeré ìṣẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ àwọn òkèrè ìkọ́kọ́rẹ́ oúnjẹ omi mo ti gbọ́ ìròyìn oríṣiríṣi ìkàkọ́kọ́rẹ́ ọ̀nà láti lè tí ìka ní òkú ìdíni ìṣòro ọlọ́run bá mi fún ìyá ìní ọgbọ́n àtòlé fún omi fún ètò torí ẹgbẹ́ òkèlè láìpẹ́ ní ìlú ìlú kò ní bá àárín ọ̀rẹ́ Èkìtì ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti fún mi ní obìnrin èyí ti gbé lọ lókè ẹni tó bá fọmọ fún mi mẹ́ta wọ́n parí orí èyí ti gbé lọ lókè ẹ̀sẹ̀ ọmọ sì kù lára ìyàwó mi wọ́n máa fi pé kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tòró náà wà ní èmi àti ẹ̀rájò tètè ní ẹ̀ṣẹ́ ìdáyẹ lóde tó bí ìbẹ̀rù gálàtì àtiwá wọ́n gbìyànjú Kwara State ìsàdánkátà yìí Lagos ọ̀tọ̀ tó lọ ara ìgbàkọ̀sọ́ náà ní ìdájọ́ àgbòmí Èkó ní All right. Thank you very much for doing this. How do I finish it, please? Thank you. Next one. I'm very sure that we are tasting the food from few of the states, if not all of them. At least few. Please, can you put your hands together for people who are prepared this food? Please, let's put our hands together for them. Let's put our hands together for them. Thank you. All right, moving on. I'm going to invite to the front again, Mr. Calderon and Alaba, Wale on the manager, to go through the second aspect of our award presentation today. Please put your hands together for them. Okay, this is the last video of the year.
Good evening, everyone. I know we just had dinner, and sometimes it could be difficult to keep quiet because the mouth has been busy chewing and doing all sorts of things. But I'm going to implore you to please pay attention to this. We started with very easy to understand awards. We started with the easier awards, and now we are going deeper into the awards. There are not many, there are not as many actually as the ones we are already giving out. But these categories of awards, they constitute the type that people have to be nominated for. And of course, the first thing the award committee did was to try to define some criteria to say who qualified for this. It's easy to give to past presidents, past Ghana chair, and all that. Their roles were well defined in the organization. But these categories of award, I will just mention two of them. The first category I will mention is called Agba Akin. For those who are bona fide and genuine Yoruba, you know when we say something is Agba, it has a big meaning. When we combine it with the word Akin, it has even a deeper meaning. Agba Akin is a category of award because these are very new things. We intend to be carrying them out, hopefully yearly, but depending on the qualification and the people who have performed or not performed that can qualify to receive the awards. The Agba Akin is that this person must have been a member of the association that we all know for at least 10 years. And we will look at the immediate past performances of this individual. The individual must have been performing well regularly, and particularly in the last 5 years, coming to the period of the award, this person must have performed so well that there is no doubt that is a clear leader and is qualified to be an Agba Akin. Agba is a pillar of the foundation. Is somebody that anyone can run to at any time, being a member of this association, and the person will have listening there, will have the capability of mobilizing and helping individuals to solve whatever the problem is. Not only individual, but when collectively the foundation is in trouble, these are the kind of people that we can go to, and we are sure that they will be there to back up whatever is needed and provide solutions in their own way. For the Agba, we considered a few individuals, and we thought, because this is a very tall order, we thought we need to see more of such performances in them, and therefore we held back awarding Agba for this year. And you can ask questions about that later, but for this year, we are not awarding Agba. However, next to the Agba class, and somebody that has shown leadership, that has been proved to be a pillar, that has shown someone who has been close to being a pillar, who has shown extraordinary leadership in many ways, not just in one narrow area, but in vast areas. And I will mention a few examples, like the person must have been attending the foundation meetings, the person must have been contributing to discussions at the meetings, not just government issues. The person must have performed little financial, of course, financial membership, that's true. But we also do so many things outside that financially, and this person will be the financial contributor in many different areas. We have a language school, and the language school requires support from time to time. This person must have extended support to that, and in many different areas. So for this year, marking our 20th anniversary, we think we should give to as many people as possible. However, in the discussion, we invited the whole of the foundation. We sent emails out and asked for nominations. Having described the criteria that I just mentioned, we sent the criteria. We also sent the nomination forms, and people responded. There are not too many. But then, what we did as a committee was to look at those nominations and then to also, based on the knowledge of members of that committee, add to the nominations and therefore had a broader view of the discussion so as to award to some individuals. I'm happy to announce that 5 individuals have been awarded what we call Akin Konju. There is Akin Konju, and in Yoruba you know what that means. The warrior, the fighter, the champion, someone who does great things and who is relentless in doing them. We also have, we can call a man Akin Konju because woman doesn't bear that in Yoruba land. But we also have the women category of that, which we call the Akin Konju. And at this point, I would like to mention that when I mention Akin, it will also be the Akin. So that it doesn't just get to male, to be either male or female. So this year, there are 5 individuals that have won the award, which we call Akin Konju. Also, there are also 5 the Akin Konju in our midst. Before we call out these names, I have to explain one thing that we consider a lot of people, and because it's only 20th anniversary, in Yoruba we say, if you have 20 children, they will not play together for 20 years, because by then they are no longer kids. And by then, life will have thrown different things onto their path that you will not have them sitting together and playing for 20 years. The Yoruba Foundation is of age. It has come up to 20 years. And that's why when we look back, we thought some people needed to be awarded. We need to acknowledge people who are keeping this association afloat. You don't necessarily need to be president or vice president or be on the leadership seat actually to perform. And that's why we're recognizing some of these people. In their own rights, they are presidents, they are even more than presidents in different categories. So please, let's welcome these 5 individuals. Alhaji Azeez Ojetola. Please, round of applause for him. Dr. Julius Ogunari. Dr. Williams. Chief Dr. Leke Oluwalayo. Mr. Chukwu Lawal. And last but not least in this category, Mr. Taiwo Johnson. I'm going to have to resort to invite somebody to please step forward and receive on behalf of Mr. Taiwo Johnson. And the person is ready to protesting. I don't know him to be a protestant, but I'd like to invite Mr. Wade. Please step forward. Just one more thing I'd like to mention quickly. There are several names to consider, and we think, of course, we can't award everybody this year. But as the years run by, more and more people will be getting these awards. So if you feel, yes, you belong in this category, continue to show this performance, please. That's my answer to you. So these 5 people, I can just invite, because we often talk about mission analysis, it's good to just invite the ladies as well, and just present all of them at the same time. So please, let's welcome, let's welcome Mrs. Akiri Olamide. She's not here. I would like to invite somebody to please step forward on her behalf. Can I call for a volunteer this time? I don't want to put anyone on the spot, especially Paul. Thank you. Well, it's okay. So please representing Mrs. Adenike Olamide. Next, I'd like to invite Mrs. Bola Adeniyi to please step forward as one of our ladies. Mrs. Adeniyi, another there. Please welcome him. Welcome her, sorry. I'd like to invite next Mrs. Domi Latilo. Please, Mrs. Latilo, has someone to represent her. And next, I would like to invite Mrs. Yinka Oladele. I don't have to be Thank you. I would like to invite another Mrs. Yinka Marcos. This time, please help me. ìyá akíkanjú. So we'll be presenting them with the flag. Also, there's a pin. There's a pin that goes with it, and the types of fine things that kind of go with it also. And then it recognizes them as the year of you can please rise while we present this, and let's acknowledge this honorable gentleman because without them, the association may not have been able to celebrate 20 years because the two have died to premature death. But these people, some of them have been presidents in different organizations, they have shown the real leadership, and they have supported the Yoruba Foundation to be alive today, to be well, to be moving, to be worthy of celebration, and we're all gathered here today. So please give them a round of applause. We'll give it for them. Can we please give them a resounding round of applause as we encourage them to go back and have their seat. Thank you very much, everyone, and these are the awards to be presented for tonight.
Ìfihàn pàtàkì lọ́wọ́ bá àṣàlẹ́ àgbà ló sì dòrò lọ ọba ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìlú kan. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí aláṣẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ìpinnu láàfin owó ẹgbẹ́ wa wọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kù sí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìdìsàpọ̀tì rárá aláṣẹ.
Actually, it has been going really well. But actually, surprised for Fox and Fingers by Mrs. Lighton. Wọ́n ti gbé àwọn ọmọ sport wá èyí.
Wọ́n ti ẹ̀yìn náà lọ́wọ́ lórí àwọn ti gbà àtijọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn ti bẹ́ nípa ìdájú. Oúnjẹ èyí rẹ̀ tó jẹ pàtó èyí. Láti pé pípọ̀ ọ̀yọ́ ó ń rẹpẹtẹ ní ó sọ pé àpè àlẹ́dà nílàdà. Mo ní ìṣòro tó wà ní kájọ́ olókèrè o. Ṣùgbọ́n àdúgbò ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀rọ kárí. Ilé ìgbẹ́ wa délé yìí. Ó ń kà sí àpò. Bí ẹ ṣe sọ, ẹ̀ka tẹ̀sẹ̀ tó díẹ̀ kẹ̀ wá rí àràǹfààrà èdè ṣùgbọ́n ọbẹ̀ tó dùn òun lọ pa ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ka wá bí wọ́n sàlù nígbà fẹ́ẹ̀mù. Lẹ́yìn gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ àti ewédú ìbọn ọ̀tẹ̀lẹ̀ ìdílọ́lẹ̀ àwọn ìwé ìlú àtọ́jú wọn lájọ́ bí wọ́n lọ ní Ìbàdàn lẹ́yìn àti wọn láti Ṣakí kéèrò ìbàdàbà ìbìtì àbámẹ́rin mú ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀kéèrò ìtẹ̀gbọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àmì ẹgbẹ́ àrí ìyá àdéhà ní gbogbo ní ìfẹ́ kókó ara bí ìlú ẹ̀kọ́ báyìí ní tó fẹ́ kókó ara. Ẹ ṣe ìyá wa.